Hello and welcome to another video. We'll be taking a look at Evening Star Candlestick Pattern. Evening Star Candlestick Pattern. Evening Star Candlestick Pattern. This is a trend reversal candlestick pattern. It is a trend reversal candlestick pattern. It shows that the sellers have taken control of price. The Evening Star Candlestick Pattern clearly shows that the sellers are in control. The sellers have taken control of price. It forms at the end of a bullish trend. The Evening Star Candlestick Pattern forms at the end of a bullish trend. Two red candles are formed to the right side of a green candle. But for the image we have on the screen, we have a small green candle and a red candle. But in another instance, we have a small red candle and a red candle. The two candles are formed to the right side of a green candle. To trade the Evening Star Candlestick Pattern, you place trade entry at point E as shown on the screen. You also place stop loss at point S. To take profit, place take profit below thrice the total length of the two bearish candles. Like the other image, in the other image, the initial image, we have a green, a small green, and a red candle. But this time around on this particular image, we have a small red and a longer red candle to the right side of the green candle. Now to trade, to place take profit, you measure from the length of the two red candles, or the two candles on the right side, from point S to point E, and you multiply the pip length by 3. Multiply it by 3, the total number of pips, or the total length, or the total depth of the number of pips is used as your take profit. If point S to E is 50 pips, then for your take profit, whenever you are trading this candlestick pattern, your take profit will be measured from point E downwards 150 pips. That is 3 times 50 pips. 50 pips is the length, or the pip length of point S to point E. Example of an Evening Star candle pattern at the end of an uptrend. The arrow indicates the formation of an Evening Star candlestick pattern, where you have the green candle to the left, small red candle at the top, and then the red candle to the right. And we can see what happened immediately after the Evening Star candlestick pattern is formed. We have a range of about 5 candles to the right before a rapid fall of price, where we can see the development of longer candles, three longer candles, that shows that price took a steep fall to the right side. So the Evening Star candlestick pattern is a powerful candlestick pattern. Whenever you see this at the top of an uptrend, be rest assured that you are going to have a more like a sniper trade. This is another example of an evening star candlestick pattern at the end of an uptrend. This time around, we have to the left of the pattern, we have a green candle. Then at the top of the pattern, we have a green candle, a green small candle. The initial pattern, we had a green, then two red candles. But this time around, we have a green, then another smaller green, then a red candle to the right, as indicated by the arrow. So at the top, where you have the small candle, it can either be a red candle or a green candle. And for this particular image you are looking at, we have a green candle at the top. So when you have an uptrend and then you have a formation of this pattern at the top of the uptrend price move, then you expect that the trend will reverse and turn to a bearish, from a bullish to turn to a bearish trend, as shown on the image on the screen. This is another example of an evening star candle pattern at the end of an uptrend. This time around, we have a green, then a small red at the top, then a red to the right side of the pattern, as shown with the arrow. And we can see the trend from uptrend, it changed totally to a downtrend. Now we have a question. Look at the image on the screen. Is this an evening star pattern? The image on the screen where we have a pattern or candle formation with the arrow as indicated on the screen, is it an example of the formation of an evening star pattern? Yes, it is an evening star candle pattern, and we can see what happened after the formation of the pattern. Price took a fall, and the bears or the sellers, they took perfect control of price and drove price down to the right side of the chart. Evening star pattern is best used on 4-hour time frame and above, meaning you can use this pattern or on higher time frames. We have 4-hour time frame, we have daily time frame, we have weekly time frame, and then we have monthly time frame. So when you are looking at these time frames on your chart and you see the formation of evening star candlestick pattern at the top of a bullish trend, be rest assured that you will have the development of a bearish trend sooner or later. Evening star formation at resistance level always give traders confirmation of trend change. When you have a resistance level on your chart and the evening star pattern forms at the resistance level, then you are said to have a confirmation of the bullish trend changing to a bearish trend. So the formation of evening star pattern at your resistance on your chart will give you a confirmation that trend will definitely change to a bearish trend. So that is all for this particular candlestick pattern video. We want you to subscribe to our channel, FX Trader or FX Fables. Click the subscription button. Also click the like button. Make comments below the video. Ask questions. If you want us to do a video on any strategy or anything relating to forex or volatility index trading, state it below any of our video. We'll do the video for you. Also click the bell button below the video for notification. Till I come your way next time, is